Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. I've been sent a prezzie and I don't know who it's from. Interesting. Let's load it on the bench and I'll tell you the story, folks. As you can see, this is a bit of a big old box. I'll zoom out. Look at this lot. It is massive, isn't it? I'm trying to get it all on a shot for you. It's a beast, an absolute beast. As you can see, I'm just going to use my camera and bring it down the way. Look, it fills my entire bench up. Now, I thought this was something that I had ordered for the wife, Grimbo. So I got the delivery and it got put to one side in the lounge until after my live stream. And then I thought I'll sit and open it, and I was expecting a particular product to be inside. Alas, it wasn't. So I'm just going to try and get a bit of better light on this so that you can all see what it is. So we'll try it that way up. So I'm going to remove this massive box off the bench. Probably find there's a smaller box inside, but we'll try and see what we've got. So bear with me. This is a bit like one of them Russian doll boxes, isn't it, folks? Let's try and sort this lighting out for you. I've not been in this situation before with something this massive on the bench, so apologies, folks, apologies. I think that's as good as I'm going to get, so I do apologise. But yeah, we've received this, and I have got absolutely no idea what's in here. What's that say on the top there? Guarantee tape. You've got to check the contents and write in clear reserves on the transport note. You have to confirm within 48 hours. I've got no idea what this is. It's all sealed up. Wet sticker on there. Got no idea what that means. And this is going to Amazon in Europe. All it said on there was to help with your new venture, ANON, A-N-O-N. So I can only assume that's anonymous, to help me with my new venture. Okay, I'm even more stumped now. Let's open it up and have a looky, kins, folks. I've got zero idea what the hell this is. I really ain't got a clue. But to help you with your new venture. Okay. This is... Let's try and figure this out. Let's drop the box on the floor, not literally. I can rest it on there. We've got another box inside with this written all over it. Thrust Master Passion Quality Innovation T-Flight Full Kit. Oh my bloody ding dong. This is a complete flight controller for an Xbox. Oh my good God. I'm absolutely speechless. Wow. It's got a Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription in there. And this is a full hand throttle, rudder and joystick for flight games on the Xbox. Official flight simulator kit designed for Xbox Series X, Xbox One and Windows 10 and 11, designed for all users. T-Flight HOTAS 1 joystick, HOTAS stands obviously hands-on throttle and stick. High precision controls to provide ultimate joystick experience on all flight sim genres. Space sims, modern sims, combat, warbirds, civil flight. Full-size detachable throttle with 5-axis and 14 buttons, a rapid trigger, a multi-directional hat switch, navigation panoramic view, and then you've got rudder that features smart slide rails for smooth steering, ergonomic design to put your entire feet on the pedals, and removable heel rests. I don't know what to say. Is this for real? Is someone messing with me? I don't know. Wow. I'm absolutely gobsmacked. Let's get the knife of opening this. I could find that I'm actually... This has never been opened. It's legit. It's got to be. To help you with your new venture, I can only assume by powers of deduction it's for gaming, the gaming channel that I'm setting up. And holy moly, man. Let's open this up. Someone out there has sent this to dear old Festa and called themselves ANON. So you're watching this. I really do not know what to say or do about this next. Let's put that all safe to one side, because that's all the past stuff. No, it's legit. It's all legit. Let's just move that. Pardon me. Yeah, it's legitimate. There it all is, folks. Wow. It's the real McCoy. Oh my good God. Alright. Come on. I'm trying to keep composed here, peeps, to be honest with you. Yeah, this is... Oh my... Oh, giddy on. Absolute apologies for the noise, but this is not a joke at all, is it? This is... I can assume that goes together somehow, but look at this, folks. I don't know what to say. Holy moly, look at this. Wow. This is all going to be for the gaming channel, for all the simulation games and things like that. And it's a full-blown kit and caboodle there, folks, that enables you to do pretty much what you want. I can assume that clips together, or you can have it like so. I need to read the instructions, but I've got another box. So go with it. Let's just rest that there for one moment. Apologies for the shot of the top of my head. Excuse me. another seal there. And another seal there. And we've got a massive set of rudder pedals to go with it. I'm absolutely blown away. This is just... There you go. So, yeah, look at this, peeps. So the plates go on there and give it all of that, as well as all of that. It's not often I'm speechless, but whoever you are out there, I can't thank you enough for this. You say to help me with my new venture. Please, please, one day reach out and tell me who you are, because I am genuinely... yeah, I'm generally emotional there now. Thank you so very much. I'm just blown away by that. Yeah, so it looks like I'm going to be downloading Flight Simulator and giving it a whirl, because yes, why not? Look, that's just unbelievable. Just for real. It's like Christmas has come early, folks, isn't it? I mean, look at that. So yeah, honestly, I would love to know who you are, just so that I can thank you so much, because wow, what a gift, what a wonderful thought. And yes, folks, there are some amazing people out there. There really are. That thought of dear old Festa in this way is just like, yeah. And literally, the little tad was to help you with your new venture. Totally stumped me and has totally blown me away, to be honest with you. And I can't thank you enough. So again, thank you so very much for this. This is going to get put to good use. Yeah, I shall download the software and Google all the information I can, and coming soon to a screen near you, folks, is going to be Captain Festa, I think, because I can't not play it, can I? I mean, look at that. What a wonderful, wonderful thing. Again, thank you so very much. Yes, folks. Watch this space. What can I say? Absolutely blown away. Wow. I'm going to leave it there, folks, because I'm getting a little bit emotional. So I'm gonna pause, bid you farewell. Thanks for watching, and yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Thank you all. Bye for now. Wow, stunning.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down,